Hi viewers, this is Gnaneshwar Chari, Faculty of Chemistry. Welcome to Chari Chemistry channel. After a long time, we met at the YouTube channel. Yeah, how are you all? I hope all you are good. Yes, today we are going to discuss about fundamentals like electronic configuration. What is that? Today we are going to discuss about electronic configuration. So this electronic configuration is nothing but it is a fundamental thing. When you are going to discuss about any topic, always I will say that you need to know some fundamentals regarding that. So how can you write electronic configuration generally? Generally with respect to Euler diagram, we know that 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s and 6s, 7s, 8s. Okay. I am giving you one simple technique to write electronic configuration 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, and here we know that 3d, 4d, 5d and 6d as well as 4f, 5f. Everybody knows that. Here the electron orbitals are increasing order. This arrow marks is increases energy level increasing order. Okay, here 1s is less energy when compared with 2s, 2s is less energy when compared with 2p, 2p is less energy when compared with 3s. Okay, and we know that Pauli exclusion rule and as well as Hund's rule, and as well as we have another rule, that is important rule like Aufbau rule. So Aufbau rule, Pauli exclusion principle and Hund's rule, everybody knows that here. So according to that rule, this Euler diagram will help. This Euler diagram and that those rules are help to write electronic configuration. So here I am going to explain one trick. This trick is belongs to electronic configuration. Here no need of Euler diagram and no need of that rules, important rules, Pauli exclusion rules and Hund's rules and Aufbau rules. No need of rules and no need of Euler diagram. I will explain here technique and trick for the electronic configuration. So what I am explaining here, for example, everybody knows that in orbit we have subshells. Orbit means nothing but everybody knows that here orbit and shell and energy levels. Okay, energy levels all are same. Okay, in this orbit or in this shell we have subshells. That subshells are known as S subshell, P subshell, D subshell, F subshell. Okay, and S subshell is having 1 orbital, P subshell is having 3 orbital, and D subshell is having 5 orbital, and F subshell is having 7 orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Each orbital accommodate maximum electrons, 2 electrons here. Each orbital accommodate maximum 2 electrons. So in S orbital how many electrons are there? It will accommodate 2 electrons only. P orbital accommodate 6 electrons because it orbitals in subshell orbitals are 3. So P orbital accommodate 6 electrons. And D subshell is having 5 orbitals. So this D subshell accommodate 10 electrons, and F subshell is having 7 orbitals, and the 7 orbitals are having 14 electrons. We know that each orbital accommodate how many electrons? 2 electrons, maximum 2 electrons. So here no need of this rules and regulations, just simply remember that we have orbital S, P, D, F, isn't it? So how can you write electronic configuration? Generally, how can you write? For example, hydrogen atomic number is 1, so electronic configuration is 1s1. Helium atomic number 2, electronic configuration 1s2. So lithium atomic number is 3, electronic configuration 1s2 2s1. Okay, beryllium atomic number 4, so 1s2 2s2. Okay, and boron atomic number 5, 1s2 2s2 2p1. And carbon atomic number 6, so 1s2 2s2 2p2. Okay, we will write like this. Okay, here 1 electron, helium 2 electrons, lithium 2 plus 1 3 electrons, beryllium 2 plus 2 4 electrons, and boron 2 plus 2 plus 1 5 electrons, carbons 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 electrons. Okay, according to Moeller diagram we will write here like this. Okay, so according to Moeller diagram we will fill first of all 1s, after that 2s, after filling 2s we will fill here 2p also. Okay, so here 1s 2s 2p, after 2p we will fill 3s, after 3s we will fill 3p, after fill 3p we will fill 4s, like this. Okay, this is energy increasing order. So here what I am saying, I will explain one trick. It is very useful. For example, write down, don't write all these things here, just write down simply. For example, s orbital, p orbital, d and f is there. So write down f, s is 2 times, f s is 2 times, like this. S and ps is again 2 times, ps like this. ps and after that write down dps again 2 times, dps again write down here fdps. Okay, this is the general simple electronic configuration by using trick. Here 1s 2s 2p. Okay, after 1s 2s. Okay, after that this is 3s, this is 4s, another s is here, yeah, is here 5s, next s is here, that is 6s. Okay, next s is here, this is 7s, next s is here, that is 8s. So in the same way p orbital, this is 2p ma, so here next one is 3p of course, and as well as here next one is 4p and next one is 5p. Okay, here this is 6p and this is 7p. Okay, so what I am doing here, just observe carefully, that's it, you will get clarity. Here after 4s we have here 3d. Okay, 3d, because everybody knows that p orbital starts with 2p and d orbital starts with 3d, so we need to write first d as a 3d, and after that 4d, this is 5d. Okay, and this is 6d. Okay, so next f orbital starts with 4f only, so first f would be 4f, next one is 5f. Okay, so when you are writing electronic configuration, just it is simple electronic configuration. So if you are writing 1s, if you are writing carbon 1s2 2s2 2p2, just write down here 1s2 2s2 2p2, like that. If you want nitrogen, it is 2p3. Okay, it is, if you want write down oxygen, if it is 3p4. Okay, fluorine 3p5. Okay, neon 3p6, like that. Okay, after that 2p, after 2p. Okay, after 2p what we have, starting is 1s, and after 1s we have 2s here also 2s, and here after filling 2s we need to fill 2p means here also 2p. Okay, so after 2p we have here 3s, here also 3s, so after 3s we have 3p, so I wrote here 3p. So after 3p we have 4s, again here 4s, so after 4s we need to fill electron in 3d, so here 3d. After 3d electron should enters into 4p, so here I wrote 4p. So after 4p everybody knows that 5p, so sorry 5s, so after 4p I wrote here 5s. After 5s electron enters into the 4d, so I wrote here 4d. So 4d, after 4d 5p 6s, 5p 6s. Okay, in the same way after 6s, here electron enters into 4f. When electron enters into 4f, here also I wrote 4f. 5d 6p 7s, 5d 6p 7s, in the same way. Okay, 5p, sorry, next to after 7s electron enter into 5f, so 5f. After that 6d 7p 8s, 6d 7p 8s. So this is according to, just simply directly I am writing electronic configuration according to Euler diagram. According to Euler diagram, how we will write electron configuration means, just simply I'm explaining here once again, that is SPDF. Okay, when you are writing SPDF orbitals are there, just write down S orbitals 2 times SS. After that PS is 2 times PS. Okay, back side. Okay, from back side PS. After that PS 2 times. Okay, like PS. Okay, after that DPS 2 times. DPS. Okay, after that FDPS. Okay, this is a technique. So when you are getting here S, 1s, next one is of course 2s, again 3s, it is 4s, it is 5s, it is 6s, again it is 7s, it is 8s. Okay, so p orbital starts with 2p, so we know that 2p 3p 4p 5p and 6p 7p. Okay, so d orbital starts with 3d 4d and 5d 6d. Okay, f orbitals everybody knows that it starts with only 4f, next one is 5f. So these are electron level increasing order, energy increasing order. So this is increasing order of orbitals, so energy increasing order. Okay, Aufbau rule says that when we are filling electrons, the electrons should enter in first of all lower energy, after that higher energy. So this is the electron increasing order. Just you can fill electrons in s orbital maximum 2 electrons. We know that p orbitals maximum 6 electrons and d orbitals maximum 10 electrons and f orbital maximum 14 electrons. And here you can write all the elements configuration like this. Okay, directly you can write all the electronic configuration like this. Okay, so here if you want to write down any electronic configuration, for example I am taking scandium atomic number is 21, everybody knows that. Here I am writing like the same, here only we can write here 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d1, it is 21. Okay, 2 to 4 4 plus 6 10 12 12 plus 6 18 18 plus 2 20 20 plus 1 21. So scandium is 21. So here you can write all the electronic configuration by using this technique. Okay, no need of Euler diagram and no need of Unz rule or no need of Pauli exclusion rule and no need of Aufbau rule. So you can write easily by using this technique. Okay, right, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.